Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. Today we are diving into dictionaries, one of the most powerful and versatile data structures in Python. By the end of this video, you will learn what dictionaries are and how they work, how to create and manipulate dictionaries, common dictionary methods and operations, real world example and use case. Let's jump in. What is dictionary in Python? A dictionary in Python is a collection of key value pairs where each key is unique and maps to specific value. Let's see how we can create dictionary. To create dictionary, in this example we'll use student equal to, and in flower braces we can add the key and value pair name colon, and in the inverted quotes we write Ullas, and we can add any number of key value pair here. We can add age colon 25 comma field colon computer science. Now we will just print the student variable. Save the program and run this. As you can see, we got the dictionary here. Dictionaries are created using curly braces and consist of a key and a value separated by colon. Now let's see how we can access the value in dictionary using its key. For example, here I have to fetch only the name of the student. To do that, we can just write student in the square bracket. We have to just specify the name. Let's save the program and run this. As you can see, we got the name Ullas. We have one more method called get. It returns if there is no key present. For example, using the get we can write print student dot get. Inside get we just write field. Now let's save the program. As you can see, we got CS. Let's say we have passed the key which is not there. For example, address. Address is not there in our dictionary. So let's save the program and run. So we get none as an output. So the get method is useful because it avoids errors if the key doesn't exist, unlike direct access which raises a key error. For example, if we write like print student, and inside if we write address, so it will give an error saying name address is not defined. You can modify dictionaries by adding, updating and removing key value pairs. For example, let's say we have to add the address key value. How we can add the address key value? So we can add that using student with square braces. We mention address and we can specify the address like Bangalore. Now we'll just print the student and see the output. As you can see, the address Bangalore is added. Now let's say if you want to modify the age 25 to some other value, we can just do that using student of age is delete this and add 23. Now let's save the program and run it. As you can see, the age value is updated to 23. Now we can remove the key value pairs. For example, let's remove the field from the dictionary. To do that, we can use the del keyword and just specify before the student and just delete this and will run program. As you can see, the student age is deleted. We can also use pop method. To do that, we can just specify student dot pop, and inside that we need to specify the key which we have to delete, and if you see the output, the age is deleted. Now you can also just access only keys or only values or only key value pairs separately. To do that, we can just specify student dot keys. Let's save the program and run this. As you can see, we got only the keys from this dictionary. Let's say if you want only values, we can do that by specifying values. As you can see, we have only the values of dictionary. If you want all key value pairs, so to do that, we can just specify items. Let's run the program. As you can see, dict of items have all the key value pair. So the dot keys, the dot values and dot items methods are handy when you need to loop through a dictionary. As I said earlier, we can loop through dictionaries using the dot keys or dot values. We'll see that in an example. So we have the student dictionary already defined. So we'll write for key in student colon and we can just write key. So this program will print all the keys by looping through the student dictionary. So you can see we got name, age, field. Similarly, we can write value for value in student, and here we have to specify dot values and just print value. Now let's save the program and run it. Here we have to specify method. So now let's save the program and run it again. As you can see, we got Ullas 25 and CS. Mistake 1. Trying to access non-existent keys. Let's say we have student dictionary with name and age. So this will raise a key error if major doesn't exist. If you write print student of major, it will give an error. To avoid that error, we have to write .get function instead of directly accessing it. Mistake 2. Using lists as dictionary keys. This will raise a type error because lists are mutable. Let's say we have a dictionary list inside like 1, 2, colon and value. So it will give a error because unhashable type list. We have to use immutable types as dictionary keys like strings, numbers or tuples. Let's look at a real world example where we use a dictionary to store product data in an online store. Let's create product dictionary. Product equal to curly braces. Inside we'll define the key value pair. First we'll define ID colon 10 comma, then we'll have name colon, we'll specify the name of the product, let's say laptop, then we'll specify the price of that laptop 25,000 comma, we'll also specify the stock availability of that product 25 piece of laptop. So as we have seen earlier how to access the each individual key value pairs, we'll access the product information like print product name, and inside curly braces we specify product of name F. So this will print the product name. So we'll just run the program. As you can see, we got product name laptop. Similarly, we can do for all the other key values. Let's do that quickly. So here I have printed all the product information. Let's save the program and run it. As you can see, we got product name, price and stock. Now you understand dictionaries, how to use them and when they are best suited for your projects. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python tutorials. See you in the next video and happy coding.